Hello, dear learner. Welcome to my channel. Myself Vinod Kumar, and today we are discussing the mathematical important topic which is called Euclidean geometry. In today's session, we will try to understand what is axiom and what is postulate by defining these two, and then further we also discuss Euclidean axioms, which is seven type and five Euclidean postulates. So let's start. What is axiom? Axioms are the self-evident truth that don't require proof. They are the general statements applicable not only in the geometry but also in the other area of the mathematics. Whereas the postulates are the basic assumption specified to geometry. They are the foundation for the constructing geometry figure like drawing lines, circle and defining parallel lines. Now we will discuss the difference between axioms and postulates. So axioms just a general truth accepted without proof, whereas postulates is a geometric assumption accepted without proof. So axioms are applied to the all mathematics, whereas postulates are specifically for the geometry or mainly in the geometry. Axioms have nature logical and abstract, whereas postulates nature is constructive and geometric. Axioms example is the whole is greater than the part, and postulate example is a straight line can be drawn between 2 points. Axioms as a used as a foundation of the mathematics, whereas postulates used as a foundation of the geometry. Now we will discuss Euclidean axioms, which is seven total. Now we will discuss one by one. Things equal to same things are equal to one another, such as if we take A is equal to C and V is equal to C, then we say A is equal to V. If two triangles have the side equal to the same length, those sides are equal. Now second one, if equal are added to the equal, the whole are equal. Such as example, if A is equal to B and A, then A plus C is equal to B plus C. If we have the two values A and B, then by adding another value C, we can find same result. If two line segment are equal, then adding the same segment line to both them keep equal. Third one, if equal are subtracted from the equal, the remainder are equal. The second one is about addition. The third one is subtraction. Similarly, we have A equal to B, then we can subtract C from both of them. We get same result. If two rectangles have the equal area, removing the smaller rectangle leave equal remainder. Now fourth axiom, things are coincide with one another are equal to one another. Such as if we take our two figure overlap perfectly like two coins or triangle of the same size placed one over the other, then they are equal. The fifth axiom is the whole is greater than the part. Such as if we take a circle, a great circle is greater than any of its arc, as you can see in the figure, and a line segment is greater than the any subsegment of it. Now sixth axioms, things which are double to the same thing are equal to one another. And seventh one, things which are half of the same thing are equal to one another. So we have to circle, if we multiply them or divide them, we get the same result. So that's all for Euclidean axioms. Now will we move to Euclidean postulates, which is basically the foundation of the geometry. The first one, a straight line may be drawn from any point to other point. Suppose we take 2 point A and V. By joining them or connecting them, we can construct a straight line. You can also try this on a piece of paper, and by marking 2 points, you can only draw a straight line between them. Now, second postulates a definite straight line can be extended continuously in a straight line, such as meaning any segment can be extended infinitely in the both direction. Example, if we take a finite line, by mathematically a line can be extended endlessly. You can see clearly in the picture, the we can take 2 point A and V, then we can further extend them endlessly. Now third postulate is a circle can be drawn with any center and radius. If meaning we have given a point center, we take here the center as O and a distance as a radius. You can draw a circle with the help of the given information. Example, using a compass, you can draw a circle with the tip at the center and the pencil at the radius length. Now the fourth postulate is all right angles are equal to one another, meaning every right angle measure 90 degree no matter how or where it is drawn. Example, the corner of a book or corner of a square of a tile both form equal right angle. You can clearly see in the picture, or also observe the rectangular shapes have a corner with a 90-degree angle. Either is your book or your phone. Now we move to the last and important postulates, which is if a straight line falling on the two straight line makes the interior angle on the same side less than the two right angle, the two lines will be meet on that side if extended. So fifth postulate is basically define the parallel line postulates. This is the parallel line postulates. If two lines are not parallel, they will eventually intersect. Example, railway track that are not parallel will eventually meet at a point. As we take two line 1 and line 2, and by taking the red line, also called transversal line, and here is the two angle are formed alpha and beta, and these two angle are less than the two right angle. And if we take another two line, such as in the below of a figure, line 1 and line 2, if these are not parallel, they will eventually meet at some point at the corner. So these are the five postulates we have discussed so far. Now I have two problems to you to solve with the help of what we have learned. So first is a rectangle has area 40 centimeter. If it is divided into two equal parts, then what is the area of the each part? Here is the four option. You can also try. And second problem is draw a circle with radius 7 centimeter and find its circumference. If we have a circle with the radius 7, then what is its circumference? If you have no idea what is the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. With the help of the 2 pi r, you can easily find the circumference of the circle with radius 7. That's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon in the next video.